Hello student, today we will do question number 36 from miscellaneous exercise on chapter 7 NCERT Math Books class 12. So without a further ado, let's get started. We have to prove this. So first we take integration pi by 4 0. We can write this 2 we can write outside and tan square x into tan x. This can be written. Now we will write 2 0 pi by 4 tan square x. Tan square x we can write sec square x minus tan x square x is equal to 1. Means sec square x minus 1 into tan square into tan x dx. 2 pi by 4 0. If you multiply this, so this will be sec square x into tan x minus tan x dx. Multiply this, then sec square x into tan x minus tan x dx. Now we'll separate this to 0 pi by 4 separate this sec square x into tan x dx minus t tan x dx. Now we'll integrate this separately, and this will suppose I1 and this will support I2. First we will solve I1. I1 is 2 0 pi by 4 sec square x into tan x dx. Put here tan x is equal to 3. If you differentiate both sides, then it will be sec square x dx equal to 2. Now we will change limit also. Limit when f equal to 0, so tan 0 will be 0, so t will be 0. So lower limit is this, and when x is equal to pi by 4, tan pi by 4 is equal to 1. So t is equal to then 1. Now we'll put this. We'll put value. So 2, lower limit is 0, upper limit is 1. Sec squared x dx is equal to dt, and tan x is equal to t. So t into dt. Integration of this will be 2 t squared by 2. This is 1 is 0. If we put value of limits, then 2, this will be 1 by 2 and minus 0. This will be 1 by 2 and this will be 1. So 1 will be I1 value. Now I2 value. I2 is equal to 2 tan x dx. We can write this to limit also pi by 4 0. Here also pi by 4 0. We can write this pi by 4 0. Tan x we can write sin x by cos x into dx. This is now we put cos x is equal to t. If we differentiate both sides, then minus sin x into dx is equal to dt means sin x dx is equal to minus dt. Now it will change limit also. So when x is equal to 0, cos 0 is equal to 1, t is equal to 1, and when x is equal to pi by 4, t is equal to then cos pi by 4 is equal to 1 by root 2. So this is the limit. Now we will put value 2, this is 1, lower limit is 1, upper limit is 1 by root 2. Sin x dx is equal to minus dt, so minus we will put here, dt divided by cos x we have supposed t, so this is t. Now and integration of this will be minus 2 log t 1 by root 2 1. Now it will put value minus 2 log t value 1 by root 2 1 by root 2 minus log 1 minus 2. This can be written log 2 to the power minus 1 by 2. Log 1 is equal to 0. So we minus 2. This can be written minus 1 by 2 into log 2. By using logarithm formula, this power will multiply here. It's equal to, if we multiply this, so minus and minus will be plus, and 2 and 2 will be cut. So this will be log 2. Log 2. So therefore, I is equal to I1 minus I2 is equal to I1 was 1, I1 was 1, and I2 is log 2. This we have to prove. So this is proved. I hope you must have understood this solution. Today up to here. We will meet in the next session with the next question. Till then, take care. Thank you.